Even Victorians themselves are scared of Melbourne after dark. A survey conducted just this week found 3 in 10 Victorians were scared to take public transport after nightfall. This is real CCTV footage taken on a Melbourne train one night in 2009. Both Australia and India were rocked by this attack on 21-year-old shift worker Surabh Sharma.
God.
The guys are just enjoying.
They're laughing?
Yeah.
Is it the Melbourne after dusk?
This is Melbourne after dark. Now, Schwab, as you may have guessed, wasn't your average Victorian or Melburnian. He was an Indian student. He suffered multiple wounds and he almost died. Mahima and Gurmeet, we are going to get on that train. We're going to take the same train, the same time, on the same line that Surabh was so brutally bashed.
God.